Hello, stranger. We all know puberty is a hard time for teens, but it's especially hard for girls. From changing bodies, exploring independence, to hormones, and of course the pressures of conforming in social relationships. Girls need guidance to help them grow into healthy adults. Don't you agree? My name is Melinda Arcara. Our not-for-profit organization has started a campaign to support parents, teen girls, and their pediatricians to encourage them to look at vitamin D deficiency as a way to lessen symptoms of puberty and help prepare girls for a lifetime of good health by preventing diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even some cancers. We have science-backed studies from some of the top pediatric physicians in the U.S. showing the benefits of vitamin D blood testing for pre-adolescent girls. This campaign provides parents with resources to discuss with their child's pediatrician on vitamin D's role in premenstrual girls, especially for bone health, immune health, and emotional and behavioral needs. The campaign is always looking for sponsorship. Perhaps we could talk next week about the campaign's mission and how our organizations can work together to spread the word on the benefits of vitamin D blood testing for young girls. Thank you.